Dr. M. Sudhakar Sir, Principal and Professor, Malla Reddy College of Pharmacy, to come on to the dais and occupy his chair. I request Ms. Navneeta to honor us sir with a flower bouquet. I am glad to invite our guest of honor, Dr. Shashank Sridhar Apte Sir, Consultant and former Vice President, Natco Pharma, to grace the stage. It is my honor to invite Dr. William Kerry Sir, Registrar, AP Pharmaceutical Sciences, to come on to the dais. Now I request Nandini to offer bouquet to Dr. Rajkamal Sir. I request Dr. To everyone present here. Myself, S. Sridevi, Assistant Professor of Malla Reddy College of Pharmacy, take this privilege to welcome you all. Light symbolizes victory over darkness and defeat ignorance. It marks the beginning of auspicious moments and events. I request the dignitaries to do the honor, and I request the audience to rise for the lamp lighting ceremony. Thank you all. Now, I am greatly honored to give the introduction about our principal, Dr. M. Sudhakar Sir. Dr. M. Sudhakar Sir, Principal of Malla Reddy College of Pharmacy, has teaching experience of 35 years and has boundless research exposure, which is evident by research publications around 200 in various national and international peer-reviewed journals. In addition, under his guidance, 15 scholars were awarded with PhD from various universities like Annamalai, Osmania and JNTUH to fulfill their dreams. Sir has a passion of empowering students in truly commendable manner. He is redefining the etiquette of the quality education with indomitable team spirit. He is blazing the way with a trail of achievements and accomplished goals. He is a sustainable source of inspiration with hallmark practice of teaching and learning process. His innovative thoughts encompass worthy practices with a league of measures to cope new challenges. He implemented unique and unparalleled academic and administrative initiatives that contribute to the overall development. Now, let me invite Dr. M. Sudhakar Sir to address the gathering and deliver the welcome speech. Now I invite Dr. Tuljarani Ma'am, Principal and Professor, Malla Reddy Pharmacy College, to come on to the dais. Ms. Mamta, please welcome Madam with a flower bouquet.
Always to our eyes, to the teacher's eyes, we have only young generation only all the time. Right? It's a good thing for the teaching profession, of course. I welcome you all. I welcome Dr. D.R. Krishna, Chief Guest for today's function, Senior Scientific Advisor, Isha Therapeutics LLC, New Jersey, America, former Director and Vice President of the Mallinckrodt, New Jersey, USA, and Visiting Professor and Adjunct Professor for University of Pacific, California. And I welcome Dr. S.S. Apte, Consultant, former Vice President, NDDS, Natco Pharma, and former Professor of Kakati University. And I welcome Dr. William Carey, my senior in the university where I am studying my B.Pharm and M.Pharm, and he is the registrar for the AP State Pharmacy Council, and my co-principals, Dr. Raj Kamal, Principal of Malla Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, and Dr. Tulja Rani, Principal of Malla Pharmacy College, and my colleague, Dr. Sridhar, who is the coordinator, and he has put his maximum effort to have such a great function, such a good gathering. Is just because of him and my team of all the staff. I welcome you all. And about my college, this started in 2004, and we are offering the courses like B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy with the 3 specializations, Pharmaceutics, Analysis and Pharmacology, and PharmD and PharmD PB courses. We have MOE with the Malla Hospital, which is about 4,000 bed hospital with all specialties will be there, including the cancer, everything. So I'm lucky enough that my students are getting trained in such a very good hospital. And my great thanks to our chairman, Malla Reddy Garu, who is the former Minister of Government of Telangana and present MLA for the Government of Telangana, supporting for this special event, supporting our college all the time. And of course, the college is having the NBA accreditation, the 3rd cycle is going on, and we have the UGC 2F accreditation also, and NRF ranking for last 3 years, and whatnot. We offer the best research facilities to the students and faculty, and this type of conference is very much useful to all the students and faculty also. All faculty, I used to say all the time, we studied long time back, in 80s and 90s we studied, but there is lot of upgradation in the pharmacy profession, lot of upgradation in the scientific profession. We must learn. We studied something about in the 80s, but every day knowledge is getting up. We have to update our knowledge from time to time. How to update? By attending this type of conferences, seminars, conferences and all. In the classroom, theory, practical, something we are doing as per the syllabus. But beyond syllabus, what is that you have to learn? That is, by attending this type of conferences, you make some innovative posters, innovative themes in the scientific model present. We have, of course, today and tomorrow with the posters and oral presentations and scientific model presentations. So this is a platform for you all to flourish, to prove yourself. I welcome you all from different colleges in the 2 states and of course from Bangalore also. So many people are gathered here. Exchange your views about the subject, knowledge, not for sightseeing or come to Hyderabad. So just exchange your views, develop your skills, upgrade your skills from time to time. And earlier, when we were studying, we have only textbook and teachers only. But we have so many other resources like ChatGPT, or you can say YouTube, all those things. You can upgrade easily. Every day you are traveling more than 1 hour in the bus, college bus. You can go through any scientific sessions in this short time and all. So upgrade your skills, and you have to prove yourself. Pharmacy is of course, I say that pharmacy people are best people. We have the best employment all the time. Okay? Continuously growing field, you can say that. There is no unemployment in the pharmacy profession. And we are the people, of course, our people, we can flourish well by going for innovative ideas, scientific ideas and all. For example, every day some new disease is coming out. Who has to find out the new medicines? The people like you, that is, who is going to work in clinical trials. Our dear Krishna sir is expert in clinical trials and all. So you can get he's going to deliver a very good lecture. And even Apte sir, it's a very good lectures where I'm very happy, I'm very great enough to these great eminent personalities on the dais. So who is going to share their experiences, share their knowledge to all of us. And try to utilize this opportunity, all the students, and try to utilize all these posters, orals, and whatever you are going to see in these 2 days. So let us learn, not you, let you learn. Let us learn the things from these today's sessions. Thank you all. Thank you very much, sir.
For delighting the tone for the rest of the event. Now I request Dr. S. Sridhar sir, Coordinator and Professor of Malla Reddy College of Pharmacy, to throw some light on the purpose of the conference.
Good morning to the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, and staff from various colleges and students and the delegates. Okay, On behalf of Malla College of Pharmacy, okay, I would like to welcome all the delegates, staff, students to this two-day international conference on the Future of Pharma, Innovation, Collaboration and Transformation. First, I would like to welcome our keynote speakers for taking their precious time out and making this event. Okay, and I would like to welcome all the delegates who came from different parts of India. Pharma sector is one of the very important and prominent sector, okay, where the innovation has a dramatic impact on the health and wellness of millions of people. The pharmaceutical industries, R&D centers and academics, okay, all they have already rich history of pioneering the drug discoveries. Okay, so here the future promises even more exciting breakthroughs from the personalized medicine to the novel drug delivery system and from the biotechnology to the digital health. Okay, innovation plays very important role. Many organizations are embarking on the more ambitious transformations that bringing together the multiple innovations. Okay, so here only through collaborative efforts we can harness the resources needed to address the complex health issues and bring about the transformative change. Over the last few decades, Indian pharmaceutical industry has experienced rapid expansion. The Indian government also aims to grow the pharmaceutical industry by about 4 times. So, the research scholars, delegates and my dear students, it's your turn to grab the opportunities, develop yourself and develop the nation also. For coming to this conference, okay, in the conference we have very good keynote speakers. Okay, almost around 6 sessions are there who are very eminent people. They are coming from various parts of India and US also. Okay, utilize that opportunity. And we have the poster presentations, we have the oral presentations, and we have the scientific model exhibition also. Okay, so students who are coming over here from various parts of India, okay, try to utilize that opportunity. And I would like to encourage all the delegates to actively engage in the scientific sessions and share your perspectives and foster connection that can lead to the meaningful collaborations. Once again, I feel extremely glad to welcome everyone to this conference. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for highlighting the significance of the conference. Now I would like to introduce Dr. Rajkamal sir, Principal and Professor, Malla Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. He has a total of 24 years of academic experience. He is a member of professional bodies like APTI, IPA, FIP, CRS and ARTI. He has 82 publications to his credit and authored a couple of books. I request you, sir, to address the gathering.
My dear students and the dignitaries on the dais, teachers. So I'm very happy to see Dr. D.R. Krishna sir after a long time. So when I was working in Apte University affiliated college, so he was our professor. And nice to see you after 10-15 years. And Dr. Apte sir and all my colleague principals and Dr. William Carey. He was colleague in Apte University and now he's a registrar of Andhra Pharmacy Council. Conference. So freshers, I think some of the freshers from the first year, B Farm as well as Farm D and other years too. I think it is new for you. What is this conference? So we are here to discuss, like what Sudhakar sir said, whatever the subjects you are teaching, you are studying in the normal subjects in your classroom. So this is outside your this what you call the course. This is completely research oriented. What are the latest happenings in the world? The conference itself, the name of the title of this conference denotes Future of Pharma Innovation. So there is lot of innovation is required. We have seen earlier angiogram they used to put some wide like thing for angiogram. Now simply they inject a chemical and that is been the patient is been treated. So a lot of innovation is going on. The backbone for this is the pharma. Pharma is the one we are not highlighted, but we are working on backside. So definitely the research, innovation, there is never end. You can see artificial intelligence which is being used nowadays for treating, and new medicines have come up for the treatment. So for this backbone is the pharma. So there is no end for the opportunities. So definitely we are into latest technologies. You have to get updated with the latest happenings. So the conferences, definitely it will help you to understand the latest research going on around the world as compared to the normal subjects you are studying in your regular syllabus. And I hope these 2 years will be very informative and which will be very useful for you young guys. So definitely you are going to learn a lot of things these 2 days. And wish all the best for this conference, and I hope you all enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for presenting your brief view about the conference. It's my pleasure to introduce Dr. Tuljarani ma'am, Principal and Professor, Malla Reddy Pharmacy College. She served as resource person for various AICT workshops and delivered 54 lectures. Dr. Tuljarani ma'am have authored 45 research publications. I request you, ma'am, to speak few words about the event.
A very good morning to all the dignitaries and the dais, colleagues, faculty, and student delegates, scholars, and all the invitees, guests. First, I would like to welcome Dr. Krishna sir, DRK sir, Senior Scientist, Advisor, Isha Therapeutics, New Jersey, USA, and Dr. Apte sir, Consultant, former Vice President of Natco Pharma, and Dr. William Carey sir, he is the Registrar, Andhra Pharmacy Council, and my co-principals, Dr. Sudhakar sir, Principal of Malla Reddy College of Pharmacy, Dr. Raj Kamal sir, Principal of Malla Reddy Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, to this 2-day international conference. So, as rightly said by Sudhakar sir and Raj Kamal sir, such conferences, seminars and workshops have to be organized, and I would like to thank all the principals who have encouraged the students to attend this session. So such conferences are required. Why? Because so it is out of the box. Like every day, all the teachers are engaged in covering the syllabus, and students are also routinely, they will also learn only the topics which are there in the syllabus. So much of technology, new technology is coming into market, and so many advanced technologies are there. So to update the knowledge, I hope such conferences we have to organize, and we have to encourage all the students to attend such programs. So it is really very useful for not only the students but also to the scholars who have registered for PhD. So it is the good platform to give the oral presentations and poster presentations. And by attending such great conferences, you can exchange the knowledge, you can update the knowledge. Nowadays, not only just preparing the tablets, capsules, and mechanism of action, knowing, not only, you should not stop there only. So many technology like 2D technology, 3D printing technology, artificial intelligence, robotics, so many things are coming into the market. So I hope this session will become it is very fruitful, and you'll enjoy the session. From my side, I request all the students to just switch off your mobiles and concentrate on the session. So one thing I want to tell about the Krishna sir. Sir, you came as external for me, sir, in 93. So I am really very honored and privileged to share the dais with you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. coming over here to address our students. And Apte sir, I have attended one session, sir, your session. It was really great, sir. FDP program organized by Kakatiya University. So, we feel that we are zero in front of such eminent speakers, and it is really very honored and privileged, and you people are very lucky to have such eminent speakers. So once again, I request all the students to attend the session. Just don't concentrate on the selfies and photos. Attend the session and learn, because 2 days, 6 sessions are there. At least learn few new things so that really it is useful to you and you can update the knowledge. Thank you once again for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Speech about the event. It's an honor to introduce our next guest, Mr. William Carey, sir. Dr. M. William Carey is another personality who had fit an incredible mark on the field of pharmacy. He served as president of APTI, AP State Branch from 2003 to 2014. His academic journey with a PhD in Pharmaceutical Sciences, FIC, and illustrious career of 34 years of teaching is a testament to his dedication in field of pharmacy. He has 16 research and 1 review article to his credit. He is a member of professional associations like APTI, IPA, IPGA, IHPA, IPS, ISCB, and ISP, etc. He is highly ambitious and focused individual to achieve Best Teacher Award 2004 by Government of Andhra Pradesh, Best Polytechnic Teacher Award 2005 by ISTE, and APTI Award 2015. He also achieved various AICTE grants for different projects like improvement of students' professional and efficacy, and to improve the experimental skills of the students for preparation and evaluation of drugs project. So I invite you, sir, to please deliver the speech.
Respected guests on the dais, Professor D.R. Krishna garu, Dr. Apte garu, my junior Sudhakar, and other principals of this Malla Reddy group, Professor Rajkumar garu, Professor Shelja Rani, and the coordinator for this program, Surya Devarkonda, teachers of this institute and the other institutes of Malla Reddy group, and the teachers came from different colleges in both Telugu states, and the student friends. Good morning to all of you. Actually, I came here to meet the Professor D.R.K. sir during my PhD at Kakatiya University. So that time I was the president of APTI, AP State Branch, that is a combined state. So he supported me very much for conducting various seminars for the teachers. So that during my period, so he is very supportive for the association and also for the concern of the teachers. So on behalf of all the teachers on this platform, I thank you very much, sir, for your support for the welfare, for the professional development of the teachers in our state, sir. Apte sir is, at that time when I joined in 2005 for PhD, so he left the university, so that's why I have a limited interaction with sir. But the thing is, all the people who are on the dais, all the teachers, and I am the first person appointed as a registrar of AP Pharmacy Council from academic. Previously, all the regulatory department people, they used to chair the registrar post, but I am the first person from academic background. So now we will come to the today's conference. The college chosen very important topic, that is innovation, collaboration and transformation. Many colleges are having the innovation centers, but very few colleges are doing fruitful work on these innovation centers. So really this is the very apt
Why? Because there is a lot of innovation carrying on globally for the last 10 years. So in these 10 years, there are 490 medicines, they come to the market. New medicines come to the market, including the treatment of cancer, cardiovascular diseases and diabetes, etc. And vaccines development also very much developed to treat the 30 diseases in these 10 years. So there is a lot of development carrying on. So that's why the budding pharmacists, you have to know about the what is innovation, what is collaboration, what is transformation. So I don't want to go all these details about this because we have to learn the seniors and the experts in this area. But only thing I would like to tell you is, with the institutions, we should have certain collaboration because the innovations are mainly carried out by the pharma industry. So let us examine ourselves, especially the teachers and the students, how we are contributing to the innovation or the our role for identifying the new medicines. So these we have to find out the problems which are associated in this collaboration. So I thought that the one drawback in our institutions is we are not having the proper knowledge about the what is innovation. So it is nothing but to turn idea into a medicine. So the students may have certain ideas, but they are unable to communicate to the teachers, and sometimes the teachers may discourage their new ideas. But at least now itself we invite the ideas from the students, and the teachers, you have to take up these ideas and whatever the ideas which are useful so that we can make them into an innovation from the institutional level. And another area we are lacking is the role of teachers. The teacher's role mainly deals with the research area. Let us examine ourselves what are the research area we are concentrating. How far that research area is useful for the commercial viability or the research which is useful for the welfare of the human beings. So let us concentrate on these areas. That means the present need of the medicines. So you identify that area of research and you continue that research for the benefit of the society, for the benefit of the country. So let us examine ourselves and we concentrate on this area. And another lacking is many of the institutions or the organizations, educational institutions are not supporting these colleges for this innovation. So we have to concentrate on this area, the principals and the teachers, we have to motivate or you have to convince the managements to support this innovation center which we are having in the institution. And another drawback we are having is the industry-institute interaction. Nowadays, many colleges, they are doing MOU with industries. But we are doing this MOU for the employment, or we are doing this MOU for Pharmacy Council of India purpose, or for NAC purpose, or for NBA purpose. It is not like that, but that MOU must be a useful one for the students, for the institution. So you please concentrate on these areas, and let us all decide to change from our academic area, because now there is a lot of competition in the both in the education and also in the industry. So I want to close this with one quotation from Mahatma Gandhi. He said, "Be the change what you want to see in the world." So if you want to change, then you can see the change in the world. So we are the people who have to change from this present nature to the innovation area. And that institute should be a useful tool for the discovery of a new drug for the development of the patients or for the development of the society. Thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity, especially the Malla Reddy group of institutions for giving me this opportunity to share a few things and also inviting me as a guest for this two-day conference. And I wish that this two-day conference will be useful for your career and also for your future life. And bless you all. Thank you one and all.
Sir, for your inspirational speech. Now it's time to announce the proud moment of the event. It's not how much we give, but how much we put into giving. I am glad to proclaim that Malla Reddy College of Pharmacy is donating a prize amount of 25,000 to an NGO organization, Rakima Foundation, on this event. I request Rakima Foundation team to please come to the rise. To give away the prize amount and felicitate Ms. Vinila from Rakima Foundation. Now would you
respected devotees and diyas, and thank you everyone, beloved diyas. I'm very much privileged to have the sponsor amount to my foundation. Thank you so much, Krishna sir, for inviting me to this program, and also Rajkumar sir, principal of Malla Reddy College. Thank you everyone. Actually, I am running an NGO for Stay Foundation. Just I want to say a few words and I want to share few things with everyone on dayas and below the dayas. Actually, everyone have pets in their homes, but very few know how strays are suffering in streets. So my only one, I just want to share few things with everyone. Just we need, everyone can feed strays and serve them with kindness. We can help many strays which are suffering on streets. Feeding and giving water and shade, most service we can provide them. Thank you so much.